Trump talks Wall Street's taco trade. Is he changing tariff strategy? In a lively scene at the White House on a Wednesday afternoon, President Trump was questioned about a new nickname making waves on Wall Street: the taco trade. This quirky term stands for "Trump always chickens out," referring to the idea that the president might back down from his tough tariff threats, causing markets to bounce back quickly. Trump admitted he hadn't heard the nickname before, and he didn't hold back from showing his frustration. When asked about the term by a reporter, he responded sharply, "Don't ever say what you said. That's a nasty question. To me, that's the nastiest question." The phrase taco trade first appeared in a May 2 article by Financial Times columnist Robert Armstrong. As explained by the New York Times, it describes a pattern where markets dive after Trump announces tariff threats but then rebound sharply when he relaxes those threats and offers countries more time to negotiate. During the briefing, CNBC's Megan Cassella brought up the term, asking Trump, "Wall Street analysts say Trump always chickens out on tariffs, and that's why markets are higher this week. What do you think?" Trump dismissed the idea, saying, "I chicken out? I've never heard that. Are you talking about when I reduced tariffs on China from 145%, then to 100%, and then even lower? Currently, the U.S. tariffs on China are set at 30%. He also mentioned his recent tariff threat against the European Union, promising a 50% tariff starting June 1st, which was later postponed to July 9th to give more time for negotiations. Trump explained that tariffs are a part of strategic negotiations, often starting high to give room for compromise. He recounted how tariffs, especially the steep 145% he once set on China, were motivated by issues like fentanyl and other trade concerns. Trump emphasized that his approach was about pressing countries to make deals, sometimes reducing tariffs as negotiations progress. "It's called negotiation," he said, highlighting that he aimed for balanced outcomes. He added that the high tariffs on China had effectively halted business temporarily, which he considered a necessary part of the process. This exchange took place as Trump was ceremonially swearing in Jeanine Pirro, a former Fox News host, as the U.S. Attorney for Washington, D.C. Trump announced his pick after facing some pushback in the Senate over his initial choice, Ed Martin, due to his views on the January 6 Capitol attack. Watch Trump's full response to the taco trade question and see how he defends his tariff strategies, shedding light on his approach to negotiations and market reactions.